Okay, so let's talk a little about design and designers. So I kind of mentioned already designer, like if you click on it, it will give you a lot of different ideas. It's not going to take away, by the way, your animations or anything, but it gives you a lot of different ideas. But you got to watch what it does sometimes. See, like right there, that wouldn't be a good option to go with, and neither would that one be because she's pointing in the wrong direction. So you got to be careful about what you choose. If you choose one, you can always click undo. If you don't like it, just choose the undo option. I'm trying to move some stuff around. But there's also the design option right here that, you can go with any of these designs. And by the way, you can find free PowerPoint designs or themes online. Now be careful where you get them from. But like if you're getting them from a trusted website, like an educational website, they're out there where you can actually download like a template that has a particular design that you're looking for. Okay. Even better than what they have in here. So, like if I chose this one, then what happens is this is, yeah, that little that little line right there that you see, that is basically the full extent of that particular design. Now I can choose a different one, which I'm just not a really big fan. Notice how it kind of changes the color of my text, but then designer comes into play as well, and it gives you some options that you can go with if you want that option, but you still have control over changing the size of your image and all of that. So you still have full control. Again, I'm not a huge, and it's totally up to you. It's your choice. You can come in here and even change the colors if you notice. You go back, like over here under variants, and it gives you options here, but as well as the designer itself. So, but there are tons and tons and tons, and that's not a good option. By the way, let me choose a different one. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. That's a terrible option. Let me go back here. Yeah, something because it actually turned my text. Of course, the background was white and my text was white. So that's why I said that's a really good example of making sure you're choosing the right design, um, and because it will change a lot of things. You can see even over here under designer, like it's actually cutting her head off and her legs off. So you don't want that. So at any rate, and if you were wondering, well, where's the undo button? It's right here under the home option when I mentioned it just a few minutes ago. All right. So that's how you use design as well as designer. And in the next video, I'll show you one more thing. It's called add-ons, which is even much better, more powerful for that matter, than a lot of these other features that I've shown you. So I'll see you in the next video.